Think no bread means boring breakfasts. Think again. Today, I'll share delicious and breakfast ideas for no-carb diet that are simple, filling, and totally sugar-free no-carb breakfast approved. Many people are looking for no-carb breakfast recipes because they want to boost fat loss, steady energy, and reduced cravings. That's why no-carb diet breakfast ideas are trending for health and weight loss. With a simple no-carb breakfast, you can skip the bread and sugar while still enjoying meals that are tasty, satisfying, and perfect for busy mornings. Whether you need a quick no-carb breakfast on the go, a high-protein no-carb breakfast for workouts, or just easy options for your no-carb breakfast for weight loss, I've got you covered. Stay tuned, because I'll walk you through easy no-carb breakfast recipes without bread or sugar, from egg breakfast no carbs to meat and cheese breakfast ideas, so you'll never run out of inspiration. Choosing a no-carb breakfast for weight loss is one of the smartest moves you can make. By skipping bread and sugar, you set yourself up for fat burning and more consistent energy throughout the day. A sugar-free no-carb breakfast helps control blood sugar spikes, reduces cravings, and supports a healthy metabolism, perfect for anyone on a low-carb diet breakfast plan. Many worry that skipping carbs means feeling hungry, but the truth is, a high-protein no-carb breakfast with eggs, salmon, cheese, or Greek yogurt keeps you full and satisfied for hours. Compared to a sugary pastry or bread-heavy meal, zero-carb breakfast options with protein and healthy fats actually fuel your body better for workouts and busy mornings. So, if you're looking for healthy, no-carb breakfast recipes that are delicious and practical, keep watching, because we're about to dive into some of the best ideas to make mornings exciting without bread or sugar. A classic choice for a high-protein, no-carb breakfast is scrambled eggs. Simply whip up fluffy scrambled eggs, no carbs with spinach and avocado for a filling meal that's perfect for breakfast ideas for no-carb diet. If you want something more hearty, try an omelet no-carb recipe with mushrooms and cheese. This low-carb, high-protein breakfast idea is rich in flavor, packed with nutrients, and keeps you full all morning. For a lighter but elegant option, go for poached eggs with smoked salmon. This smoked salmon no-carb breakfast delivers lean protein, healthy fats, and is perfect for those following a keto breakfast no-carbs plan. These simple no-carb breakfast recipes prove that eggs can be versatile, delicious, and anything but boring, making them perfect for no-carb breakfast for weight loss. For a quick and savory option, try turkey cheese roll-ups. They're a zero-carb breakfast option, packed with protein and healthy fats, making them an ideal no-carb breakfast for weight loss. Another delicious idea is sausage patties no-carb style. These keto-friendly breakfast recipes are flavorful, filling, and a great way to enjoy meat and cheese breakfast ideas without any bread or sugar. For something fresh and crunchy, go with chicken lettuce wraps breakfast. They combine lean protein and crisp greens, making them a perfect breakfast without carbs or sugar that's both light and satisfying. These simple no-carb breakfast ideas show that going bread-free doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Whether it's turkey, sausage, or chicken, you'll have a filling no-carb breakfast every morning. A classic Greek yogurt no-carb option works perfectly for mornings. Top it with nuts and seeds for a healthy no-carb breakfast that's creamy, crunchy, and naturally sugar-free breakfast recipes friendly. Another staple is cottage cheese no-carb breakfast. Pair it with cucumber, olives, or herbs to create a refreshing breakfast without sugar or bread that's high in protein and keeps you full. For those who avoid dairy, try chia pudding no sugar made with unsweetened almond milk. This dairy-free no-carb breakfast is rich in fiber, plant-based protein, and perfect for a quick sugar-free breakfast. These dairy-free no-carb breakfast and dairy-based ideas are excellent no-carb breakfast recipes that balance protein, fat, and flavor, without bread, sugar, or unnecessary carbs. When mornings are busy, hard-boiled eggs breakfast is the ultimate quick no-carb breakfast. They're packed with protein, totally zero-carb breakfast options, and perfect for meal prep. Another classic is beef jerky breakfast idea. Choose a sugar-free option for a sugar-free no-carb breakfast that's high in protein and fits any no-carb diet breakfast ideas. Cheese lovers will appreciate cheese sticks breakfast paired with nuts and seeds. This combo makes a filling no-carb breakfast that's portable, protein-rich, and delicious. These no-carb breakfast on-the-go ideas make mornings stress-free. They're all easy zero-carb breakfast options that work for travel, work, or quick snacking. The secret to a healthy no-carb breakfast is using herbs, spices, and keto-friendly breakfast recipes with sugar-free sauces. These add bold flavors to simple no-carb breakfast without carbs or sugar. For more variety, add crunch with nuts and seeds no-carb breakfast ideas. Almonds, chia, and sunflower seeds transform a basic dairy-free no-carb breakfast into a satisfying no-carb breakfast. Prep ahead to stay consistent. Meal prep no-carb breakfast ensures you always have quick sugar-free breakfast and no-carb breakfast on the go ready, perfect for busy mornings. Try new combos like no-carb smoothies, unsweetened, or vegan no-carb breakfast ideas for variety. Rotating recipes keeps your low-carb, high-protein breakfast ideas fun and flavorful. As you can see, breakfast ideas for no-carb diet don't have to be boring. With the right mix of protein, healthy fats, and creativity, you can enjoy zero-carb breakfast options every day. Whether you love no-carb breakfast recipes with eggs, meat and cheese breakfast ideas, or quick sugar-free breakfast recipes, there's something for everyone. These meals are perfect for no-carb breakfast for weight loss, steady energy, and reducing cravings, all while skipping bread and sugar. The key is balance. Mix egg breakfast no carbs, simple keto breakfast ideas, and high-protein no-carb breakfast to keep mornings filling and exciting. So pick one of these best no-carb breakfast recipes this week and start your day with energy, confidence, and flavor, without bread or sugar.